Welcome. We're going to see how you can do name reservation on CAC. You click on name reservation to start with. Then this column classification, you choose the name of description of company that you want to reserve the name for. Here, well, it's a limited liability company, so we click company. Then we choose which one we're going to do, which is a private company limited by shares. So you click it. So over here, you enter your proposed name. So we bring in the first option, put in our first option 1 there, type it. Since it's a company limited by shares, you add limited to it. That's the first option. We enter the second option now. And when you are done, you click save and continue on the right of your screen. So you click save and continue now. So in this next column, you indicate the reason for the availability search. Yes, we are engaging in a new incorporation, so we choose that incorporation registration. So you continue, click save and continue. Here is the details of the company we intend to engage in name reservation. So ensure that the details are correct, the names you've chosen, and say this is the place to ensure that they are correctly entered. After that, ensure they are correct, check it properly, ensure that it's correct. This is where you now scroll down. Once it's correct, you click save and continue. This is the column for the payment. Here you just click the remitter button on this page. It's a 500 naira for reservation of name, but there are charges attached to it. Click submit. So this is the page where you can use your card or bank transfer. We'll be using bank transfer, click bank transfer. So this is the account details we're going to transfer the money to. Money has been transferred, so click I have sent the money. So this is a notification of the payment being a success. So as you can see, these are the payment details. Over here, you can download the receipt of payment from here. Click download the receipt or view receipt. So that's how you can engage in a name reservation. It usually take about 24 hours for the name to be reserved. And once that is done, you will see the success, the approval notification on your dashboard. And in other instances, it is also sent to your email. So thank you for watching. Keep on for more videos. Kindly subscribe, like and share.